sick in months, and so I guess it's about time. It's not like anything terrible, but I'm just really tired, and my nose is like stuffy and runny and snotty and all of that, so that's fun. That's a lot of fun. I'm just laying on the couch now. Is a snow day. Let me show you what we're dealing with. You probably can't tell, but that is how much snow we've gotten. I had just opened my compost bin, and before I opened it, there was like, I kid you not, this much snow sitting on top of the cover. I was gonna go into work today, which is why I actually have my makeup on, but our coworkers, a couple of coworkers and I were chatting on Teams, and like, you know what, I'm not gonna risk it. I'm just gonna just gonna stay home. I had actually thought when I woke up, I'm like, there's no way I'm going. But then the more I kept thinking about it, like, oh, maybe I should just go. So I started getting ready, and then I'm like, you know what? No, I'm not. I could not make up my mind. Because like today is the day we're supposed to come into the office. We have 3 specific days we're supposed to be in the office, but yeah. Anyway, I'm working from home today with my makeup on. So maybe that will motivate me to be super duper productive. I mean, I'm always productive, even on my least productive days. But I just made myself a coffee. I'm gonna sit down and get to it. And with my coffee, so I actually used homemade oat milk that I made, but like I wanted it to be like frothy, and so I added in some coconut oil, which I think adds fat and so adds creaminess to it, and it kind of worked all right. It doesn't froth for long at all, but it tastes coconutty and it's kind of oily. So I don't know, I need to figure out something else, but okay, I'm talking too much, so I'm gonna see y'all later. What? It's like, why do I live in this city? Look at all the snow. It's so bloody cold. Oh my god.
Silver dollars and champagne for the trouble. It's a t-shirt in the backseat of you.
This fig jam from HomeSense is the best thing ever.
Stick around when the walls start to fall. Good God, does anybody notice you sat at the table and you listened to her scream? I know we've had a few too many. I'm not sure what to believe. Beauty queens and rock and rollers, crystal glasses, Coca-Cola. Nice to meet you, nice to know you. Better have listened to all that they told you.
Okay, so I am heading out to this candle making event in the city. It starts at 6 and it's like 5:30 something right now. It's about a 20-minute drive to the location, so I'm not running too late. I think I'll just probably get there at exactly 6, which I am okay with. I'm just gonna put on my shoes and then I'll show y'all my outfit. It's a pretty simple outfit. I feel like I'm kind of overdressed, but that's probably because I got this like bold lip situation going. I haven't worn this lipstick in a long time, and I felt like because my outfit is like mostly, it's a lot of black, I felt like it would be a good way to, it adds to the vibe. And then my boots, I'm kind of going for like a grungy look here, I think. Jacket, shirt thing. It's not too cold, so I can get away with just wearing this. Oh. So this is the fit. I got this leather shirt and a black turtleneck, black jeans, and black boots. The shirt and the turtleneck are from Raymond's. My pants are from Everlane, and my boots are from Call It Spring.
Silver dollars and champagne for the
So I am back home from the event. It was so much fun. We spent like an hour or so making the candles, and then while we were letting the candles set, we went next door to this like zero waste store, and they served us like charcuterie, like just like snacks and stuff. And I picked up a straw, a metal straw, and I got a free mini candle as well. So this store is called Greenbrier. So this is one of the candles. It's it's in the scent sandalwood sea salt. It smells really, really good. So it's like one of the candles, and then we also got another small one, and this one smells really good too. So it's like this funky little container. It was just nice to be able to go out, meet new people, socialize a little bit, and just do something different than going to bed at like 8 p.m. you know. So yeah, the group, I guess, that put this together is called Girls Connect YYC. I'm pretty sure you can find them on Instagram. They host like a few events or meetups and stuff every month. So it's really fun, and I plan on attending future events as well. I'm feeling really good. I'm just gonna set this down for a sec. I'm saying that I'm feeling really good because my goal for this year was to put myself out there a lot more, and I'm feeling like I'm really living up to that and getting out of my comfort zone and going out and meeting people and doing stuff, because usually I just like make up an excuse to not do something. But I mean, it's less resistance when I know someone there and I'm not just going by myself. So but yeah, I'm feeling really proud of myself for being willing to get out of my comfort zone and being willing to do new things. So I'm looking forward to the rest of the year. I'm especially looking forward to summer because I know there'll be lots and lots of events in Calgary. So I think it's gonna be a really, really fun summer. Like, I'm so excited for the summer, y'all. Like, when I'm filming this right now, it's like close to the end of February. Like, March just like signifies like a new fresh start to me, and it's just something exciting about March, and I'm just eager for it to be March. Okay, I'll talk to you later.
Does anybody notice you? Said